Welcome to Dreams Royal Beach in Punta Cana. Hi, I'm Asai, a travel agent specializing in luxury and all-inclusive vacations. Dreams Royal Beach is an all-inclusive, family-friendly resort located just 20 minutes from Punta Cana International Airport on one of the most beautiful beaches, Bavaro Beach. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the new Preferred Club section of this resort and a premium tropical view room. As you can see here on the property map, Dreams Royal Beach is located right next to Secrets Royal Beach. And here's where the brand new Preferred Club section is. This brand new section is connected to the main lobby, and you have to walk down a nice boardwalk to get to this new section, as you can see here. The walk is maybe a 3 to 5 minute walk from the main lobby to the Preferred Club section, and you walk over top of this little lagoon here, and there is quite a bit of wildlife that you can see, including some birds and turtles, and they also have these paddle boats that you are free to take out. They're complimentary. But the walk does take just a few minutes, and they actually also do have shuttles running from the Preferred Club lobby in this brand new section. There is dedicated pools and bars and even a few restaurants and quick service snack type places. You can see the swim up bar right here, but this really is a self-contained, almost like a mini resort within a resort. One of the benefits of this new Preferred Club section is its exclusivity and basic quietness. I have clients that stayed here and they really enjoyed the fact that they could get away from the crowds at the main resort. So as you walk in through here, this is where the buffet is. That is for Preferred Club. It is open for breakfast and lunch, and then in the evening it turns into Portofino, which is the Italian restaurant open to the entire resort. And located right here is also a little burger shop and pizzeria. And then as you go through the doors, here is the seating for the buffet and for the inside of Portofino in the evenings. This is an a la carte restaurant that does not require any reservations. And again, in the evenings, it is open to the entire resort. Just outside of Portofino is Dolce, an ice cream parlor and coffee shop, and this is open 24 hours and also offers some different to-go snacks as well. Inside here is the Preferred Club lobby, and there is the Preferred Club bar. You have the dedicated check-in area and some additional seating. Now let's go take a look at one of the Preferred Club premium tropical view rooms. This is a brand new room category. There are actually 2 bathrooms within this room. This is going to be the first bathroom. This is a full bathroom, and there is the closet space here, so there's quite a bit of storage. You can see a walk-in stall shower here. You do have a closed-off toilet room with a bidet, super fancy, and then there is your sink with additional storage and a lighted mirror as well. You can see right there is your full-length mirror, always appreciated at a resort. And then look at this. It is like a 1-bedroom room here. You have a dining area, and every single one of these rooms does come with a pull-out sleeper sofa. So this can be great for children and giving parents a little bit of privacy and separation. You can see right here is your coffee maker and mini bar. And in Preferred Club, you will receive some snacks. And in this room, they have a bottle of rum for you. You can see there's a wine fridge there with wine glasses, and then your fully stocked mini bar that has juice, water, sodas, and beer. You have luggage storage here with additional shelving underneath, and of course a television right here. And then coming through here, there's obviously a fully closed off king room, giving you plenty of privacy and separation if you're traveling with children. You have a vanity area on the end with additional shelving and storage for your luggage. Every Preferred Club room will come with one of these bags here, and you also have your own television. Let's go take a look at the other view. You have a nightstand on either side of the bed, and let's go take a look at the view. This is a tropical view, which I would almost consider a pool view, but take a look at this balcony. It extends the full length of the bedroom and the living room suite area and has a beautiful view overlooking what they call the lazy river. Now, this does not have a current, but it is a fun freeform shape. There is a jacuzzi tub on the balcony, And obviously it is fully furnished with 4 seats and tables. This room does have an attached, what I would call a master bathroom that is quite large. There is your closet storage space to the right with plenty of shelving. This room does not lack for storage at all. You can see additional bedding. You have a steamer there, an umbrella. Here is your walk-in shower, complete with rain shower, one of my favorite things in a resort, and you will have your bathroom toiletry amenities in there. Of course, you do have a fully closed-off toilet room, and then double sinks, which is perfect for couples sharing this room, and an extensive amenity inclusion. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you'd like to see my full tour of Dreams Royal Beach, it will be linked here when it's available. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.